Alright, so I'm draining the transmission fluid right now. I've been doing some work up top. I got my grounds all good. I got my axles torqued. Angel helped me. He just sat in the car and sat on the brake while I torqued it. I torqued it to 175 foot-pounds. And then I got the ball joint nuts and bolts on. Those are 30 to 43 foot-pounds. For a tip on the ball joints there, it's a tapered bolt. So basically put it in. It's not going to feel like it wants to go, but you need to hammer that some bitch until it, basically goes through the hole and not to the other side. I need to get a canister filter socket. This is pretty tight, and my filter pliers don't work on this one, so I've been scratching it up, and I don't want to ruin it anymore. So I'm just about done with the drain. This is a 15/16 nut or head. And basically, I just cracked the fill plug open. It's also a 15/16. I replaced the gasket. I'm just waiting for it to. Yeah, that's probably good. Okay. I'm gonna tighten the fill plug or the drain plug now, and then I'm gonna add it from right here in a second. All right, the fluids are drained. The thing is clean. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be running, and also some updates because I've done some stuff on the top. But it was just stuff that I wanted to get out of the way, and it was not really camera worthy. So these are the fluids I'll be running. This for power steering, Castrol Transmax. It's Dextron 6, but the fluid calls for Dex 3. So Dex 6 is just newer stuff, but it supersedes Dex 3. Mobile 1 for oil. I've used Mobile 1 for a while, and that's just what I like to use. So you can use something else, but I'm using 5W30. I'm using the Motorcraft full synthetic manual trans fluid. I think it takes about 2.7 quarts, so I got 3, and then we'll speed it running nitrous. The stuff that I did at the top, installed the battery box, plugs for the ECU. I got the new intake boot. This one actually works and makes the correct bend. I did my own custom PCV hose because the other one, it didn't fit with this boot, and yeah, I just had to use some 5/8 PCV hose. Oh, I had to make a ground going off the engine block, just to relocate the one that used to be underneath the motor mount. But yeah, just doing all the odds and ends, and once I put fluids in it, and then I think I'm gonna wait for Angel to get back so I can basically get somebody to look underneath the car while just checking everything inside, and we're probably gonna go for the first start here. It's hot as balls, but I'm trying to get this thing done. I want to work on Cody's thing. All right, I'm sweating as freaking bullets. It's hot. I got the intercooler on, the air box. I got coolant in it. All the fluids. I just put on the battery. It wasn't getting power, but I noticed that it had been sitting, and it had been sitting outside. So the battery terminals were corroded. I cleaned them up here, and this one too, especially. But I just used this for basically battery terminal cleaning. With the intercooler on, the clamps are clamped, blow-off valve, and the hose, or the diverter valve, yeah. Got coolant in it, still need to bleed it. Got power steering fluid in it, still need to bleed it. No leaks right now. Okay, so I need to get the key programmed because previous owner, he actually lost the key. I had to get one made. I think the guys will be able to come today now that I got the power issue solved. So yeah, I think we're gonna have a first start possibly today. Cody's on his way over. We're gonna work on the 240, I think, today. But I just want to get this thing starting, running, and I don't know, maybe on the road. I did find out that I need shocks as they're blown. I think I'm going to be going coilovers. If not, I'm just going to replace them with the Coney shocks because I don't want to dump too much money into suspension stuff right now. I'd rather do the tuning stuff and just get it reliable on the road. Make sure it is, what's it called? Make sure it's in park. What? I mean, neutral. Jesus. No automatic. Make sure it's e-brake's on. My bad.
Yeah.
And then.
All right.
Oh, God.
You ready?
Yeah, no. But do it anyway.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Go again?
No!
Stop. Let me, Maybe I'll try, let me try priming it with, without fuel first. Well, fuck it, just do it then. Power steering. Alright, so first startup, it's going okay so far. I have ABS light and traction control light on right now. Yeah. It's idling at just maybe like 900s, 800, so that's good. Coolant's getting up to temp. I don't have AC, sorry. It's hot as balls today, I know.
Derek Lewis, Derek, why'd you take your pants off? My balls was hot.
Cody's helping me just do the first start. Blow the power steering system. Right now the coolant's about to get sucked in by hopefully the thermostat open, so we'll see. No leaks. I spilled a little bit of coolant, but that's okay. If you heard the knock in the beginning, don't worry. It went away. So far so good, I'll update. I'll update if it gets worse. All right, so first startup, great. Bled the cooling system, fans fled the cooling system, fans kicked on. Honestly, it was great. Tried to put it in gear. My boy Angel was helping me bleed the slave cylinder last night. I don't think we bled it enough. So we're gonna re-bleed it. We push it out into the street because we want to get Cody's car, but that's a small issue. So I have space again, and the car now sits patiently over there. It was great to turn because we actually had power steering. So now I'm just gonna. He took my floor jack because he had to take it to rescue somebody. So we're gonna bleed the slave cylinder later. Probably go for the first drive. If not tonight, then tomorrow. But I'm super excited. Car sounds healthy. Only lights I have on right now are ABS light and a traction control light, or like a traction control light, or like a slip light. So I gotta see what that's about. And then I don't have a horn, and I still need to put the bumper on. But small issues, really good so far. And I'm excited for when I actually get to finally drive it.
Rip paint.
Oh yeah! Harder! Harder! What the fuck is this? Oh, that smells terrible. Street Elite West Coast.
I got it in here, didn't I?
Jesus. 240 on jack stands. We're about to have another 240 on jack stands. Working on the car. Oh, sorry. Shit box.
Boy.
it.